Valentine's Day isn't always about gifts. Sometimes love is just spending time together, sharing stories, laughter, and a warm homemade meal. So today I'm making a veg pink sauce pasta because pink is one of the color of love. Every story starts simple. Fresh tomatoes gently blanch in hot water so they soften and peel easily and turn into a smooth, comforting puree. Just like love, soft, warm, and honest. In a pan, I add oil, butter, then comes chopped garlic, the aroma that fills the kitchen. Followed by chili flakes and onion. As the onion turns soft and translucent, the base of a love story begins to form. Now the tomato puree goes in, a quick mix, and bring it to a gentle boil. Black pepper, mixed herbs, salt to taste, and just a small touch of sugar because every relationship needs balance. A little spice, a little sweetness. While the sauce slowly cooks, the pasta boils in salted water. Not rushed, just cooked to perfection. Because good things take time. In another pan, butter and garlic come together again. Mushrooms are sautéed on high heat, followed by broccoli, capsicum, and corn. Each vegetable different, yet beautiful together, just like two people in love. Back in the pan, the sauce waits patiently. Cooked pasta joins in. A quick mix and cream is added, turning the sauce pink, soft, romantic, and comforting. The sautéed vegetables go in, and finally some cheese. Mix everything together, and just like that, our Valentine's Day pasta is ready. Creamy, warm, and full of love. Best served with garlic bread and someone special by your side. This Valentine's Day, cook something from your heart. If you enjoy this recipe, like, share, and subscribe to Reels to Meal. And thank you for watching.